Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood Now.
Thank you so much. I'm really, really privileged to have walked today for you, and thank you for having me. Because when you walk for somebody who has such immense faith in what he is doing, and I think it's tremendously commendable the way that he is supporting the handloom industry, the way that he was mentioning about it. So I feel like, when you give credit, due credit to the artisans who make the garments, of course, he is the face of it. They are his garments. His name is on the beautiful clothes. But for him to give the credit to his, they would be your stars, who create your clothes. So I think that is really commendable. I have to say that everyone, my friends, my family, they were really excited that I was walking for him, because along with me, even they really love his work. And the kind of response that his work garners is, when I ask my friends, what is it? And they say that it's just how he makes each garment with so much detailing. And I asked you that two of my best friends wanted to come and see the show as well today. And let me tell you, my friends do not show excitement very easily. And today they were like, we want to come for your show and we want to see the clothes in person. And, they're very non-forgiving in terms of what I wear, what I don't wear. They were very thrilled when I shared the picture of my outfit as well today, and I got a full thumbs up from all my friends, and they are my biggest critics. And they said, these are the kind of clothes you should wear, Shraddha. This is what you should. And so back to your question in terms of what you asked me about his collection, I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's if each garment would have a melody, it would be a bird song. So it was really, it's stunning. What bird do I relate? I think maybe we should ask Rahul. If I was a bird, which bird would I be?
I think maybe a swan. That's why she's wearing a swan lehenga.
जो डिज़ाइनर कभी भी शो स्टॉपर नहीं रखता, उसने मुझे चुना. तो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि जो अपने विचार को बदल सके, बिकॉज उनके विजन के हिसाब से उन्हें लगा कि मैं फिट हो पाई. तो आई थिंक वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. एंड विच ऑल्सो सेज दैट ही स्टेज ट्रू टू हिज क्राफ्ट. तो गणपति आ रहा है और घर पे पूरी तरह से तैयारियां हो रही है. और एक्चुअली आई वॉज गोइंग टू रिक्वेस्ट यू if I could actually be dressed by you for the festival. अभी आपने पूछ ही लिया है, तो it's okay, you don't have to answer. But I feel गणपति जो है मेरे घर में we've been celebrating since many years. So Ganesh Chaturthi. So definitely Indian, and if he will dress me, then definitely I would love to wear something by him. We have 1.5 day Ganpati मेरे घर पे. मेरे घर पे नहीं, actually मेरे मासी के घर पे, but it's, I call it my home only. It's just under my building. So yes.
Last question.
Shraddha, how does it feel to be associated with Project Eve? You spoke about with Rahul Mishra, but what about Project Eve and the unique concepts he spoke about?
Absolutely. In fact, हमने पहले कुछ किया है. We did an integration together on social media, and I was very happy to be a part of it. I think it's a one-of-a-kind experience that, you know, they provide for women, and I've heard a lot about their store, and I've been urged to go and see it and to really experience it. They have mood lighting in their changing rooms as per. If you want to see how the dress looks at night, you can change the lighting in the dressing room. And their dressing rooms are even larger than a regular dressing room, with a seating inside for, you know how girls, when they go shopping, most of the times nothing except for them only, and their bag though is out only almost. So there's no place to keep the bag. So when he was telling me the facilities that they offer, that there is even a desk for the bag, there is an additional chair with a charging point inside the changing room to make your shopping experience that much enjoyable. Because भले ही हम कपड़े देख ले, but when you have to go and try it, you know, you're like, okay, is it going to be fun? So I think all the best, and I'm sure that this new concept of this experiential visiting a store and having that entire experience is going to really make a lot of women and girls happy.